amazing grace of God so kind that found my heart when I was lost. I stood in shadows, bound by fear, yet you called my name and paid the cost. Through every tear, through darkest night, your faithful love has never failed. You held my hand, you led my way. By mercy strong, my soul prevailed. Oh, amazing grace, how sweet the sound that lifted me from broken ground. I once was weak, but now I stand redeemed and held in your great hand. Your cross spoke hope where none remained. Your blood washed every guilty stain. No longer slave to sin or shame. In you my life is born again. Forever faithful, always true. Your love remains my anchor sure. From age to age, your grace will make my song, my praise eternally.